Hello, this is Dr. Goodin on Driven to Doctorate. Um, we'll be talking about Chapter 2, Explain Why the Sample is Appropriate, given the study problem, purpose, and research questions. Before we move further, I want you to pause and go down to the link in the description to take the pre-video feedback and tell me why you're here. At the end of the video, please go down again and enter post video feedback so that I can improve the videos as I go. So with regard to this item, I call them tasks. Explain why the sample is appropriate given the study problem, purpose, and research questions. So if you'll recall, in the last video we had inclusion, exclusion criteria, we had a sample size, we had a type of sampling, which you'll actually can save for the next task. You can mention it above, but you'll want to describe it in detail here. But for this task, we want to go back to our formulaic sentences. So the sample will be understood. And here, instead of focusing on what you said in the population alignment sentences, you want to go into what it is about the sample, that inclusion and exclusion criteria, that sample size and the reasoning you had for that. What is it about all that that will allow you to understand the problem and address the problem? What is it that about the sample that you're going to be able to obtain and recruit that will help you accomplish the study purpose and develop the purpose, because they will have certain information. And you can focus again on the inclusion, exclusion criteria, sample size. Go beyond instead of just repeating what you said about the population. Same with the research questions. What is it about the sample that you will recruit and obtain that will have the specific expertise from which to respond to the research questions, because they'll be able to answer the interview questions or the survey questions, or they'll be able to perform a task in a way that will help you obtain the data you need to answer the research questions. So with that being said, please do go down to the post video feedback link in the description, and I will see you back here on Driven to Doctorate in the next video. Thank you.